Random Repairs back again with another little tip. I like to watch the videos, you know, when I start another job, something I'm not familiar with, something new. Not that I'm not familiar with changing head gaskets, I've done quite a few of them. However, I'm not a professional mechanic, so I rely on other people's YouTube information, or just information in general on maybe a better way to do things. So recently I was presented with my niece's 3.4 liter Pontiac Torrent 06. Head gaskets were gone and deteriorated over time. Fairly common, I believe, with those engines. So I don't have the car here now, and I'm not. And this isn't about changing the head gaskets. It's about a recommendation for anyone doing this at home. While you have it all apart, take the time and backflush the heater core. Because of all the debris that's coming off those old head gaskets, you will get restrictions, possibly restrictions in your heater core, and you won't have heat on the highway. You won't have enough volume to heat the vehicle. I'm in Saskatchewan, Canada. When I did this job, it was minus 35 degrees Celsius. It actually dipped down to minus 40 degrees Celsius, which is 40 degrees minus in Fahrenheit as well, just for the people that don't use metric. So when I backflashed it, I just blew it out, and that's just one method I use. I know it's not 100%, but that's what I did. But I'll show you what I got out of it. So this is what came out of the heater core when I backflashed it. So that's to me, that's a fairly significant amount of debris that can cause issues down the road. And I think actually you can see how, I mean, not just the body, you can see how much is piled up in there. So that's quite a lot. It's all on one side, but if I shake it down a bit, yeah. So that's quite a lot of debris. Anyway, so I'm not going to go any longer on this video. It's just a tip for the DIYer. Professionals already know to do this. DIYer may not. I haven't seen anyone talk about this on the DIY head gasket changes. Of course, I don't watch every video there is on head gasket changes, but the ones I was watching for the 3.4, no one talked about flushing the heater core afterwards, or the whole system in general. It really should be done. But the heater core is what was the issue here, because my niece wasn't getting any heat on the highway, and she had heat at idle when the engine was warmed up, but then when she hit the highway, she'd lose the heat. Multiple problems there. There was a blend door issue. I fixed the blend door shaft, but still she had no heat. So flushed the heater core, and she has lots of heat now. Anyway, so hopefully this is something that people doing in the work at home can take and save themselves some trouble. While you have it apart, flush the heater core. All right, leave some comments down below. Be sure to subscribe. I don't. It's the first time I've ever asked that, but hey, if you like my stuff, subscribe, and if you don't like my stuff, give me the thumbs down. And if you do like it, give me the thumbs up. Comment. Even if you don't like it and you have a negative comment, hey, give it to me. I mean, hey, we all learn from constructive criticism. If it's constructive criticism, I'm okay with that. But if you're just on there yelling at me, well then I probably won't respond. But anyway, have a great day, and thanks for watching.